Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A child presented with cough. How to approach it? What are the causes? What are the questions you would like to ask it? First, the most common cause, postnasal discharge. Postnasal discharge, you have to think about sinusitis. The second issue you have to ask it, it's dry cough or wet cough or not dry or not wet. For example, if it's dry cough, you have to think about upper respiratory tract infection. It's called throat infection. Throat infection, it will be presented with dry cough. If it's productive or wet cough, you have to think about bronchitis. Bronchitis. The last cough, not dry, not wet. So you have to think about allergic cough or irritant or continuous cough. It will respond well to bronchodilator. So child, in summary, child presented with cough. So the most common cause, it will be postnasal discharge, and you have to rule out sinusitis. Then you have to ask dry cough, wet cough, or not dry, not wet. Dry cough, think about upper respiratory tract infection, throat infection. If productive cough, think about bronchitis. If not dry, not wet, think about what? Allergic cough, let's call it irritant or continuous. It will respond well to bronchodilator. شكرا. السلام عليكم.